Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for home crocheting ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet rugs. So we'll be go and over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for home crocheting ideas. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more and unique videos. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crocheting rugs offer numerous benefits, both practical and creative. Here are some benefits of making crochet rugs. Personalized design. Crochet rugs allow you to customize the color, size, and the pattern to suit your space and style. Eco-friendly. By using recycled or upcycled yarn, you can create sustainable rugs that are environmentally friendly. Durability. Handmade crochet rugs can be very sturdy, especially if made with strong yarn or materials like cotton or jute. Cost effective. Crocheting yarn on rug can be more affordable than buying a ready-made one, especially if you already have yarn. Stress relief. The repetitive nature of crochet can be therapeutic, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Improved motor skills. Crocheting helps improve dexterity and hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Creative outlet. Creating a crochet rug gives you the opportunity to express your creativity through pattern, texture, and colors. Unique texture. Crochet rugs often have a unique texture that cannot be replicated by machine-made rugs. Comfort. Crochet rugs can be made to be soft underfoot, providing comfort in areas like living room, bathroom, or bedrooms. Therapeutic craft. The act of crocheting itself can be very calming, helping with mental clarity and focus. Adaptability. Crochet rugs can be adapted to fit any room size or shape, from small bathroom rugs to large living room space. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Satisfaction of creating. There's great sense of accomplishment in creating something with your hand from start to finish. With a happy ending, today's video. Hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.